Hey guys, how's it going? I just want to say thank you to everyone for subscribing and leaving all the great comments and the great feedback for the channel. We finally hit 1,000 subscribers. That's completely awesome. That's just so cool. Never thought we'd get this far. Um, and just want to keep telling you guys thank you and just keep leaving those comments, and I'll keep getting to all the videos that I can. Now, in honor of reaching the 1,000 subscribers, I want to celebrate Brett by drawing the king himself, King Kong. Now, you can see that I've actually sketched this out. I've been having a lot of trouble kind of getting him down and just drawing him without sketching. So I finally decided for this one, you know what, let's just go ahead and sketch him out and use it like this. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to draw King Kong. So to start off, we're going to begin with his head. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down and up like this. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm just going to kind of curve it around like that. And then I'm going to leave a little bit of space and I'm just going to curve it around here like that. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and up a little bit. And then I'm just going to add a few little curved lines in between here just to kind of show where his eyebrows kind of curling. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and up. And I'm going to do the same thing over here for his eyes. And then I'm just going to add a little small partial circle in here. Now for his nose, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around like this, kind of like a backwards C. And then I'm going to put another one right here like this. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line up for his nose. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line inside, kind of like that same C shape, and I'm just going to color it in. And then I'm going to do the same thing right here and just kind of color it in. Now for his mouth, starting right here by the nose, I'm just going to draw a line that kind of curves down. And then I'm just going to curve up and then back down for his mouth. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, up, and then down like this. And we connect it here. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, and then around, and then kind of curves here. And then for the top of his head, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go up, and then it's going to kind of curve around like this. Now for his ear, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and then down, and then kind of curves in. And then I'm just going to add a little line right here. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little kind of squiggly line in there just to give a little detail in his ear. Now starting right here by his ear, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this. And then I'm just going to kind of bring this a little bit closer, leave a little bit of space. Now starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down. And then for his shoulder, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then kind of comes in. Then I'm going to draw another line that's just going to kind of curve down all the way here to kind of form his hand. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves and goes down a little bit. Then I'm going to draw a little line right here. And then another line right here that kind of curves in. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and kind of angles down and curves around for his thumb. Then inside his hand, I'm just going to make a little curve. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this around and bring it to here. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to kind of curve around and meet to here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down like this. And then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around and then down right here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves around and then kind of comes up. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down, and then it's going to kind of curve here and then come around kind of where his hand's going to be. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves in, kind of lines up with the bicep. And then I'm going to draw a line here that just kind of curves around and down. And then I'm going to take this line, I'm just going to curve it around to here. Then you want to take this line and go down, over, and then up to kind of form his finger. Then you want to do the same thing right here for his other finger. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then kind of curves down. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then kind of curves in. And what I'm drawing right here is the helicopter that he kind of snatches out of the air. Then up here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then up. And then I'm going to curve this down, and I'm going to make this a little bit wider as I come down at an angle. So it's like bigger here and skinnier back here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that kind of curves around for the window of the helicopter. And I'm just going to put a couple little circles right here for some windows. Now for his chest. So I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down here like this, and then it's going to just kind of curve around to here. Then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to do the same thing, just kind of curve down, and then kind of curve around and back up. I'm going to leave a little bit of space, kind of like some broken lines. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down to the arm and come to here. Then over here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves in. And then I'm just going to draw a line that kind of comes down like this. Now for his legs and feet. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down and then kind of curves around. Then start here, I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves out and then goes back in. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then kind of curves around. Then here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down at an angle, kind of curves around and comes back here. And then starting here, I'm just going to curve a line that kind of goes down and then back up for that last toe. Then start here, I'm just going to kind of curve this around and then bring it up like this. Then right here, I'm just going to kind of bring this up and in. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves up. And then I'm just going to go up and down and kind of form his other leg. Then start here, I'm going to curve out and then in like this. And then up here, I'm going to draw a line that goes all the way to the helicopter. And then underneath it, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and kind of curves around where his knee's going to be. Then start here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then just back in. And then I'm going to draw one line that goes out and curves around for his first toe. Then one that starts here kind of curves around for another toe. And then one that curves here, and this kind of goes down and up like this. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves up, goes down, and then around for that last toe. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just kind of like a broken line that kind of goes down his stomach. And I'm just going to draw a couple little lines that kind of curve in like this just to show showing us where his body is. They made this King Kong really, pretty muscular, so he's kind of got the whole six-pack going on, like he's pretty built. I'm going to add just a couple little curved lines in here just to add a little bit of detail. A couple more little lines. Okay, so here is our basic drawing of King Kong. Now, there's going to be lots of extra little details in here, and most of it is just kind of like fur. So I'm not going to go too crazy with all these lines because we'll be adding a lot of fur in here. But when you add fur, I'm just going to kind of come around here in like different areas and just kind of make it look a little bit hairier because, he is covered in fur, unlike a lot of our creatures that we draw. And I'm just going to kind of add some of those just right around here and just some different places, just to kind of make it look a little bit more furry. And I'm just going to add a few of those around here, just for some extra little details and everything. I'm not going to go crazy with this, just putting a few things in here. You can add some little details on his toes, kind of like, toenails and everything. Some little wrinkles where the toes are meeting. Put a few more here, and then don't want to forget these. And I'm just going to throw some more of these lines just kind of all over. Kind of give him some knuckles and everything. And a few more lines kind of around here. And some things like that. So, like I said, just didn't do a ton of them, but just wanted to throw a few of them in there. So, I'm going to start fast forwarding and coloring this. Make sure that if you guys are liking these videos, you keep hitting that subscribe button, and I'm going to keep getting as many videos done as I can. And thank you once again for everyone for helping us reach 1,000. So, I'm going to start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.